Good morning. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and we are discussing the Nifty View and the basis for stock ideas given on TV18 for November 15, Monday 2021. My SEBI registration numbers are given here as a statutory declaration. Every day I explain that I take the Nifty trades and with momentum. You can easily go back and read this. Short-term trading is all about context. It is not about listening to a TV analyst and then following it blindly. You will never make money like that. You just have to get the ideas, but eventually your trading plan must be your own and it must include the short-term context. This is the Nifty. Normally we see a 30-minute chart, but today we have an end-of-day chart because the view is something different. See the Nifty coming to a decline and then going into a trading range. We have talked about how the Nifty is in a trading range. Now apparently the Nifty is now ready to break out of that 18,100 resistance of that trading range. At least that is what the SGX is suggesting. A breakout in an uptrend is a buying opportunity. Now breakouts are also high risk because if the breakout does not work out, then you have to wait patiently for the markets to either move again in a couple of days or come back and stop you out. So there are large risks because you have to keep a breathing space for market to eventually break out. That you have to understand. ONGC is a buying opportunity. The stock went into a rally, went into a correction. The sense seems to be that it is now resuming a rally. Momentum is up. Consider a buy with a stop under 151.7. Tata Consumer has been in a trading range. Earlier it had given a handsome breakout, handsome rally. Now stocks can go into a trading range and move on the upside. We can consider a buy under a 2-bar low of 823.4. And finally, UPL, see how the stock has been moving in a trading range for 3 months. It's also possible that it's making a double bottom. I haven't marked it here, but you can see the chart and maybe you can identify it. It is possible to buy this with a stop under 745. We are anticipating a breakout. Thank you for watching this video. I try to keep it short so that you can all listen to it before markets open. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.